Not my key.
I'll make this quick.
Man, I need a fucking crit verse again.
3, 2,
Fucked up.
1.
Maybe this shaman is crit. There's a chance. It's either verse or crit.
Get your buff, get your buff, get your buff.
It's verse.
I'll work to circumvent the tower's magical defenses. You may need to take a more blunt force approach. This goes without
I'm running ahead. As are you. Nice, okay, good.
Range 5.
I'm not even putting 1 miss, I'm just gonna SEO.
See, this shaman kicks, dude. Saw that?
First kick, shaman, good job. I like it already.
Unbelievable.
Mr. Shaman, I think you probably already know, but we lost on the evocate during Curator. I always take silences if there's resounding yeah.
Unless he stays silent, then it's actually a no.
Where you just be in those kind of people and be like, don't lust yet.
He's about to hit us with the no glaze.
Damn. No, he's Mal'Ganis, he's good. No,
I forgot about this one.
I'll be like, yo hablo español, bro.
This thing sucks.
Range 5.
Like this part of the dungeon, just like
This is
add
so
a bunch of
dumb,
mobs.
yeah. Even in classic TVC, it's like, what's the point of these fucking ads?
Yeah. These are the ads you drink to get mana on.
Yeah.
Range 5.
Can't hear me? No, we cannot hear you.
Is it because we're in
It's
Can
because
you
we're
hear
supposed
us?
to talk.
This is a push to talk channel.
Can you hear us? That's all that really matters. Alright, just run up mid and then I'm gonna invis path.
Okay. And you bring him to this room, right, where the statue is?
Yep.
Goodbye.
welcome to the terminate intruders.
You sure you're gonna survive?
He's trying.
Oh my god, look at
Range
him go.
5.
Oh, this is huge!
I missed one pack.
No, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine, just go. Stay in here.
I got it.
I'm silenced. I'm so tilted. That is unbelievable.
Range 5.
Silence!
Okay, I'm just now using my buttons. Like what?
Bruh, where is it?
That is so fucking stupid, man.
I wish it was I don't think I'm gonna have Infernal up for fucking evocate though. That phase.
Yeah, I'm definitely not gonna have one.
Do we fight him here? No, we wait for him to pat back.
Welcome to the
Or yeah, or reset. That works too, that's smart.
Okay,
What the
if we
fuck
ever,
am I silenced
Oh.
by?
if we ever so if we do that pull again, we gotta pull
Oh,
it back to like
All the way in this room, man.
yeah.
I was afraid like the door was gonna close
Range 5.
and I missed a pack.
It was shit because I think if you get silenced, it puts your thing in the same spot back here. So I like walk all the way over there and then walk back.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's
Yo,
fine.
Shami friend, let's try. You and I can like stack on the left side. Just stay behind the boss. He's gonna pat him down here, right?
Don't
So-
pull the boss until like for like 20 seconds.
Okay.
I think it was like wasn't it like a minute or like it was like less than a minute, right? Until we phase.
Yeah, we should be
I
fine.
gotta pull him now.
Yeah.
I have one in a minute.
We should be fine.
Put pools behind him.
Yeah, so I'm way behind him, so we bait the shit back here.
Him is a far lightning.
Range 5.
countermeasures deployed.
I hate fucking quaking so goddamn. much.
My game froze?
Countermeasures deployed.
How my DC?
How in the fuck did that?
Range 5.
Yep, I DC'd.
That's not good.
Dude, I'm
I'm
upset.
loading. Am I still
This
alive?
is going downhill
Nope.
quickly. No, we're all dead.
We didn't lust yet. I mean, we didn't lust. It's
As
all
long
good.
as we didn't less, I think we're good.
The shaman typed it out.
I like these funny ass pun jokes.
Okay, I'll just went for the damage, man.
Range
I don't know why I have
5.
such a fucking issue getting on these purple fucking swirls.
Well, at least we have all cooldowns now.
Yeah, we should be able to destroy this boss, but I need to position myself better.
You want to just start back here because he's already padding back
Yeah,
here.
we could do that.
Yeah, I'll pull him back.
The menagerie is
Range 5.
countermeasures
Can
deployed.
you see me? You just pop wings?
I didn't mean to.
Countermeasures deployed.
Oh, less. We didn't have less last time.
Range 5.
We should try to be focusing the tiny guys as much as we can right now.
Yeah, I am.
I'm baiting. I can stop baiting if you want.
You ready?
You get fucked.
Get ready. And go ham.
Overload
Let's-
in progress.
That's it, yeah.
Prepare for
It's fucking melting.
Range 5.
That was much better. Move.
Keep moving, please.
We have a lot of real estate. You can just kind of freely move.
Range 5.
curator.
Alright.
Is no longer operating.
Let's one shot fucking what's this cunt face and then let's go.
Now you're ready to oversee the tower's
Should we just skip this guy?
We have
Or you guys just stand up on the platform?
I can gate no, he pats. Watch
Range 5.
I'm talking about the fire guy in here.
out. Oh, the fire guy. I
Oh,
stood
can we
up
skip
there.
that too?
I don't know if we can.
I mean, if we invis pass,
That'd be amazing if
guess
we
I
can.
pots.
Okay.
I do.
I have pot.
I'm a pot also.
So one person
he
invis
might,
and
he
see
might,
if he
he
has
might
eyes.
see.
Yeah.
Well, not this guy. Who just invised?
I know about Shaman.
Shaman, we met the next guy, buddy.
Sorry, I can
We
rescue.
could summon
Oh,
him.
I just ran in.
This
Okay.
I was tainted from birth.
So as soon as you walk in, he takes aggro. So I'm just
Invis and see if he has
No?
eyes.
Bad seed.
Nope, you're good. You're good.
Bear bitter fruit.
All right, just res me on the other side.
Range 5.
Oh, I rolled. I see.
Oh, it's massive. Fuck this guy. Oh, somebody.
You're good. Go, Musty. Are you?
No,
Oh,
the
no, you're
fire
not.
was right
I know
there.
you are good. Okay.
I'm good. I
Both of
see
you
him.
guys release
You
release.
guys
I guess
really
he
Yeah,
released
you
it
guys
from
can just
summon.
summon.
Start in,
Summon him.
Fuji. Start in.
Sheesh.
Okay, are we doing the strat where like the shaman gets the extra kick, or are we gonna like just purposely not
Just
kick?
go
one
and
of the-
No, no,
I think someone just be calling constantly, like who's
Okay,
next
I'll
kick
call.
or something.
Range 5.
TH will do first, and then scheme.
I didn't get a summon.
I know. We're
Oh, okay.
quaking.
We won't have less for the spot. I mean, that's not really needed. It's just mechanics.
Range
You
5.
guys ready?
Yep.
Hello, champions.
Scheme next.
I've been expecting you.
Not that, but I'll get this one. Mustard after this.
I got it. I'm just letting it chill. Let's do a thing. He is cursed, so feel free to kick way late.
Grow weaker.
DH tank.
I
Then scheme. Then me. I got this one late.
So it's a phase right now, I think. Or not? What is it?
Let it go off. Let it go off.
Maybe
Let
it's
it go off.
time based. There we go. Oh, images.
Range five.
Left bird, left bird.
Pop like defensive too for sure.
And then middle bird. Interrupt if you can.
Range 5.
I don't bother interrupting. Don't waste one. You need to do it for Medivh.
Out of this, mustard do first.
Okay, dokes.
You grow weak.
I'm waiting for it. I'm waiting for it.
I grow stronger.
I'll get it next after this. I got this late. I got this late. And then schemes next. And then Dage tank.
A basic spell, but effective.
Mustard next.
I'm waiting for it. I'm waiting for it.
And then I'll get next.
Oh wait! Do not move. Do not fucking move.
Don't move. I got next. I got this late.
I'm sorry, I
I
stole
got
it.
it. I got it. I got it next.
You grow weaker.
Tank.
Range 5.
Stronger.
No one.
I pick defensive shaman. And then mustard.
Scheme or me. Yeah,
Got it,
scheme.
got it.
I got next. I got this. I got this. I got this.
Okay. Now scheme. Oh no, I can do it. I can do it. I can do it.
Keep still.
Jump
Range 5.
or jump. Move. Be a motion.
Tank. Tank.
Burn. Just like that dragon.
Shaman.
Oh,
Shaman.
we-
Shaman. Shaman. I got this. It's bad, I guess.
Oh, so much cleaner, dude.
A memory.
Ah!
Range 5.
That was so much cleaner. Oh Jesus Christ! See, everyone needs to be in fucking comms, man. The other shaman just didn't have interrupt meters. You could tell.
He literally was just kicking whenever the fuck he wanted to.
Or not.
Yeah. We're not kicking at all.
All right, this next boss though kind of fucks though. The worm, the man worm.
Nah, son. That shit easy, son. You
Son?
just pew 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 pew.
Are you guys still falling? I'm falling.
Yeah, we're still falling. We're going through.
Alicia Keys falling.
Ah, that's good.
What if you swallowed food while you were falling in the air?
Does it
Your
actually go
muscles,
down?
your
Or
muscles still push you
Right?
down.
Like your muscles would be fucking
You could,
exhausted.
dude, you could swallow
Yes,
food while
you
on
can
a,
swallow
on a
upside down.
handstand. Yeah, on a handstand.
Dude, your muscles must be exhausted.
Yes.
sis.
That's gotta be fucking rough.
Jesus Christ.
Drac, do you know how the esophagus works?
Never seen one.
I don't
Never
know.
seen what's I don't know.
I guess it's like some like they like come together and
So
like go
minimal
down.
trash. Minimal trash.
Yeah, minimal trash here. We can do spider, I guess, and rat. Fuck it.
The
Watch out for
muscles
the rat
squeeze food
army.
down.
They squeeze down. Yeah, that's how I guess. That's also weird too, because then it's like you're stretching out your neck muscles.
Oh shit, Payne Smith.
Rat army. Watch out for the rat army.
Your muscles can handle it,
we
Drac.
need this book? No, right?
We need the book, right? We could skip a lot. There's a lot of fucking percent up top when we get out of here. Maybe kill the spider.
Yeah, kill the spider. We're gonna need the room.
Well, that's good. It gives us more fucking bounty. That's actually clutch. Yeah, we're low on bounty, I think.
Range 5.
Right? Like 3%.
Skip a lot.
Or 3
We
stacks.
skipped the big guy.
That's true.
That rat, fucking amazing mechanic. I want to let you know.
How did they come
Okay,
up
we
with
all know how to
that
do
one?
this. We all know how to do this one, right?
No.
I just know
Soak
soak
orbs.
Track.
So
Soak
as you
orbs
get
and
orbs,
then-
you have to get rid of them with the puddles on the
Range
ground.
Yeah, there's like a purple tent. You soak orbs, get on the purple
But
tent.
every time you clear a stack, it smokes your health,
Yeah, he fucks.
and it also it gives you a dot. Like you can hold one dot for like the damage buff, and you probably be fine. But you want to clear more than that.
Range 5.
Like so, that's the puddle that you're gonna clear your dot in
Yeah.
when you pick up an orb.
Wait, you do more damage while taking damage, right? If you're in the thing. Is that what someone said? Okay, these are the orbs you gotta pick up.
Range 5.
It's like some Halandra shit.
How many do you pick up?
I don't know.
Many as you want. You just got to clear your stacks. You can also bubble them off. Oh, you can't, obviously.
Might just have one stack right now.
Yeah, if you have one stack, you can probably just chill.
And that's it. Just
Range
repeat.
5.
You don't want to have more than one stack, though.
Orbs.
10% damage. Fucking sack me. I'm taking 2.
Range
I'm
5.
hungry.
I want sushi.
Orbs. Orbs. Flying in.
Wait, why am I not clear my stacks?
You have to, like, stand in the puddle for a second, and it'll
Oh.
clear one.
Oh,
Oh.
Yeah,
boy.
but you got to be careful not to do it at the same time as the AoE.
I got the re-res.
Yeah, my bad.
Range 5.
Orbs again? Jesus Christ.
Like, clearing a stack chunks you.
Yeah, I didn't realize that you don't clear them all instantly.
Yeah, it takes us a little bit. And finish him off. Play focus, right?
Yeah,
Doing
we can just
massive
focus
pull
first.
after this, by the way.
Massipal, I like that.
Oh shit.
Like the entire room.
Oh. I got
Range
it. Okay, a
5.
second.
No, we gotta kill this because
Okay,
they're gonna
get the
kill
orbs.
us.
Orbs.
Do not come.
Mechanics still. Do mechanics still.
Kill the boss.
Get
Kill the
orbs.
boss.
That was so much smoother than earlier today. Holy shit. Earlier today was just not fun.
Wolfie, no!
no!
Nice, Wolfie. I see what you're doing. I appreciate it.
I appreciate it.
Wait, where is he?
You can release right here, no? I feel
He's
like it
still
release. You have to-
tiny, dude. His
Res,
body's
res,
still
release.
tiny.
He didn't get bigger.
Okay, go do your thing.
Range 5.
Oh man.
Are we going in the middle? Do we meet in the
Wait,
middle?
what the fuck?
Oh, Drac, what are you doing, bro?
Release here, bro.
I didn't pull him. Or maybe I did pull him. I don't know. They're
I'm
just
stuck down here, guys. Grip me up.
As am I. Hold on, what's going? Oh fuck!
Am I supposed to go with you guys? I don't
Oh my
understand.
god! Go! We're going big. We're going big.
But it was
Go,
all
Drac, go.
part of a larger scheme.
Oh, guys won.
I'm so pissed.
All part of a great cycle that now at last may be broken.
Seems asleep.
Huh?
I like this pull for me. I approve. Big
Range five.
approval rating right here.
I'm big mad that I died in my wings. I'm about to die again. I had 1k health. Oh my god, what the fuck is happening?
You still do.
92%. Jesus
I'm
Christ.
asleep. I'm
Yeah,
sorry.
you better be sleeping, bitch.
Oh my.
This
Wait,
door
I
right
got-
here opens.
I guys
Chest,
won it. It'd be a big pull.
chest, right? Yeah, no, it's chest.
Range
This is
five.
like a mini boss.
That was it, man.
Hmm.
Chest gives you percent, right?
I think so.
Chaz isn't
No,
a
it's a
boss.
No, it's not a boss. I guess it is percent.
We get percent on the way up.
Yeah.
Oh,
So you know how this
oh,
works,
dude,
Jack?
Fuck
We do
this.
that.
No. Why not?
area.
Am I going to the very top?
Yeah. You just kill a piece, and then you can
The
kill the
very
king, and then you kill a piece, you can kill the king.
Well, that's not.
We're going to the very top. We're going to the very top. What? There's one part here where like we all die if we don't like soak something. Hopefully,
Oh,
someone
this
doesn't-
guy. We want to skip this guy. Oh,
No, it doesn't matter. Oh, you're right. We could skip. it.
Pyromancer's so
When are we
dick.
stopping? When are we stopping?
I'm asleep. I'm gonna be. Oh my god.
Range
I'm
5.
asleep in the fucking frontal.
Wait, these things suck ass. These stairs.
This guy
don't-
fucks, bro.
Don't we have to soak something?
There's
I'm
like this.
popping.
He does this thing that like one shots us. Yeah, that.
We have to soak something, or I forget who
It's
figured
that
it out
circle.
earlier.
The circle on the ground fucks you.
Please kill him. Just kill him.
No kick. No kick.
Watch the bop, the bubbles. The bubbles one
I'm
shot.
asleep. I'm
Do
asleep.
do I break the bubble or what do I do?
No, no, no. You don't touch him. Do not
Please
touch
kill
him.
him. Thank God he's dead. All right.
Watch from
Wait,
him.
shit, Transcendence back.
I'm asleep.
Oh
These
my
Felbats
God,
can
stop-
fuck the right
Stop
off.
going into the sleep.
Jesus Christ, man.
Don't die. Don't die.
Alright, come here.
Don't release.
Stand out. Stand in the inside so you don't get hit by the Felbat.
Oh, too late. I'm taking it.
You're gonna die. Oh my God.
Oh, it's enemy forces. We're done.
Range 5.
Run, run, run. In the
Wait,
hall.
So what we do with the king right now? The king, you see how it has the bop wings over his head? We kill a knight. We kill
Res
a
me.
piece. We kill a piece of the chest, and then he's available to get hit. And we hit him until he has the bop wings over his head. Kill another piece, hit him, and just
Will
repeat
he
until he's
not
dead.
mass resing? Dude, what's this guy doing?
That's
Oh my
fuck-
God.
Range 5.
I had to res like there because it's great if I'm inside.
Yeah, because
Yeah,
you're
you
in
have
combat
to.
when you're in here.
Just mass res, please.
He's in combat.
So am I. With what?
Oh yeah. Can
You
you?
got, oh my God. We got to release.
Okay.
Fuck these Felbats, bro.
Range 5.
Oh, I could see him the whole time. Right up.
That's good to know. That's amazing. Thank God,
He
dude.
literally
Fuck
just
those
stopped.
Felbats.
Did he stop actually? Oh no, he's still shooting shit.
He's shooting the shit.
I'm not in combat anymore, though. You guys are
Oh yeah,
ready?
you can't res in this room. We'll
Yeah,
be,
this room, you're
to
silent. in
go,
this
like,
room,
right
that's the
here.
thing. You guys are coming up anyway. You guys are here.
Didn't even get me, Drag.
Let's also bustle. So yeah, let's target the knight knight in front of him first. Kill him, and then go to the king, and then kill the second knight.
Range
Go to
5.
king.
Okay. Can I AoE?
Big single target.
Okay.
Yeah, only single target.
I create a lot, but I am just including.
All right,
Yeah,
now
as soon
go.
as the
Now
knight
go
dies,
to the king.
don't stand on the floor. Don't stand on the
Yeah, now go to the king, and we hit him until he gets
big
the bop
king
wings.
burst. Big king burst.
Okay.
Yeah, watch your feet.
Did you say don't stand on the floor or don't stand in the floor?
In.
Look at the square I'm in. What did I do?
I got you with the B
They
res.
muscled it up.
Go Draco. Go Draco. Kill king. He's still
They almost
killable.
one phased it.
I don't have touch.
One phase. One phase
I
pros.
told
Nice.
it. I told it. Hey.
Holy shit.
Okay, now it's boss time, right? We could time this.
Tank
so-
doing 15k. You know, chilling.
Okay, this boss, he does a giant I-beam thing. Stay away from that. The ship shoots some crap on the ground. If you're targeted with it, get it away from the group.
Is this Kazak?
No, it's not. It's a fucking eyeball fuckface.
It's
Yeah.
Vizidum, the Watcher.
Oh great.
Dude, fuck
He does
RPs. Why it
He
take so
does a
long to open
Giga
doors?
Frontal that is bad.
I will open
That's
the
about it.
way while you battle that fiend.
But just worry about it front, I've got
Sever
it.
the tower's connection to Legion worlds. I suggest
And then we
you
lust the third
contemplate
phase. And then he phases, we go on the ship. We run through the ship, hit him again.
Yeah.
Range 5.
Phase him to the last part of the ship where we aggro everybody to him, lust, and then...
Open the fucking door, bitch.
Guard, bro. He's a mage. He can just fucking blink over here. I'm auto pulling. Let's go.
Remember, avoid
Yeah,
frontal.
avoid frontal. Like I said, if you got shit under your feet, take it away.
Disintegrate is the frontal. Yeah, we kick. That's what we do.
I'll
We
say
kick
that's on
and
me
we
right
avoid
here in the
frontal.
back. I'm taken away from the group. La di da da. Disintegrate. That's the front. He is
I
cursed.
moved to
So
no man.
Oh yeah. I think we
Disintegrate,
dispel
chop
we
frontal.
bring those out to dispel them or something.
yeah, you bring those out to spell so the balls don't hit people. Frontal.
on me.
Watch feet, obviously.
I can do next kick.
I did it too. Fuck.
Come on.
Okay, there's the portal. Get in the portal. Get in the portal. Now we go on the ship.
The fuck.
This is pretty
Yeah,
sick. Actually,
we gotta run.
We have to run through. I can put a Warlock Gate, make it
And it's
easier.
literally the same thing. We just got to run to him and stop him from casting.
Disintegrate. Frontal. Frontal.
Range 5.
Oh yeah, that's right. You just get out of the way of the front while you don't stop.
We less on the next platform, not
Can you,
now.
can you viewers an hour now?
What?
Where is he? Where's his
He
body?
should. He's all the way back. Just run back. Disintegrate. Move. 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 Move.
Oh,
Move.
fuck
Move.
me.
Move. Move. Move.
Okay.
Don't
Do
take
not
that.
take
don't
it. Do not
that.
take it.
Don't take.
Do not take it. Not take it.
I'll take. Take.
It's off to the
Disintegrate.
right.
Take the bait.
Disintegrate.
I got next kick.
Watch your feet. Watch your
Oh
feet.
my swirly danger.
I don't have next kick. Okay.
Disintegrate. Watch out. There's a lot of shit happening in this fucking fight. This tiny ass
Range
platform
5.
Push.
interrupts. Nice. Disintegrate.
What is this on me? What is
You
this?
can dispel. Dispel me.
Oh, dispel. Yeah.
I can defuse probably.
Now watch out for the balls. Yeah. Someone's gonna get targeted with that shit. Disintegrate.
Okay.
Watch out.
Down the
Disintegrate.
middle. Down the middle.
Range 5.
Circles.
Come on, fucking face this piece of shit. Jesus Christ.
Does he actually phase or no?
He does.
He
he's
does, he
almost
does.
phase.
There's
I think
gonna be
it's
another
30.
portal that we go into.
There we go. All right. This is you have to grab all the ads, bring them in, and lust.
Those ads.
Yeah,
I
tell me
fucking
twice.
win.
Yeah. Grab the ads and then.
Grab ads. Yeah. Grab ads,
exactly.
gain position, and then.
Bro, I'm gonna be there before
Remember,
you
he's gonna be
connect.
frontaling again, so just be ready for the frontal.
Oh, those ads. Oh my.
Go.
Don't hit the ads. Run. Avoid frontal.
Once they group up, okay, lust it.
Oh, we can. Don't kick. Oh,
It's fine. Just lust it. Let's go. Watch frontal. Rush frontal.
I forgot about that tech. You don't have to kick right away. Oh, what?
Oh yeah, guys. Let's
The
go.
fucking.
No BRS for 3 minutes. Just fucking kill boss. Time key. Get IO. We did it. We timed a fucking upper. Easy.
Nice.
Madge.
Oh, Conqueror, bro! I got Keystone Conqueror.
Congrats.
Congrats.
No loot. Let's go. Another key. No loot.
Right? I got loot! It's a pack. Who needs it?
I do.
Oh, it's a set. Oh, it's
Oh,
the one that
wow.
does the killing. Oh, dude. I
Oh
actually.
wow.
I need it.
That ring though. What's up?
I need the
Damn.
ring.
That's a big. Yo, can I get that ring, Wolfie? People I
Oh,
can't trade.
wow.
It. Jesus Christ, can I get that ring, Wolfie?
I don't need it.
I know. I was like, I'd be
Oh,
so
oh
surprised.
wow.
It is nice though. Let me tell you.
You're fine, dude. You did good. You did better than our other shaman that we had previously. Did you push it? Dude, what goes with it? It's a trinket, right? Killing a Legion dungeon boss increases your damage and healing by 10% for 2 minutes. That's pretty nice.
Literally, okay, Mustard. After that, the worm boss, you would have 10% more damage on the AoE thing.
The worm boss. Am I dumb? Worm
We did a
boss.
big poll in like this library.
Oh,
after
you're
the-
right. Oh my god, that'd been huge. Shit. 2 minutes is a long time, eh? Like what's after Medivh?
You basically get like on our next big cooldown, you get 10% damage, basically,
Yeah.
which is pretty nice.
What'd that turn into, Drake?
Oh. 16 streets.
I know it's just day 1, but I'm currently the 20th warlock in the world.
Hell yeah, dude. Page 1.
Page 1.
That's big.
I wish it was to update so I can actually take a screenshot of it because that's going to go away kind of immediately.
What is your IO?
1542.
Nice. Can't believe we had so much time.
Damn, you'd be rank 2, Rhett.
For what? If I just plus this one?
No, Mustard. If he had